Hey everyone, this is Shawn here, back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're watching this video because you want to know Chick-fil-A or Popeye or Chick-fil-A, but I want to talk about, can you afford it, right? Can you afford it? So before we go ahead and dive in, make sure that you hit that subscription button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification button so you know the next time I upload a new video. And if you already subscribed, welcome back to the Money Control TV. So you already know people are out trying the Popeye chicken sandwich or the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, and they're comparing which one is the best. But what if I told you that I don't eat chicken? Don't hold it against me. Hey, if you've been following me for a while on Facebook, you know I don't eat chicken because when I was growing up, really poor, right? Like poor. We had chicken every single day. And so now I have a little bit of options because I have a budget. And so I really want to talk to you about that because I know that a lot of people they haven't even checked their budget. They haven't checked their bank account. They haven't checked anything. People are just saying on social media, go grab that sandwich. Go grab that sandwich. Compare it without even having a plan. So I don't want you guys, if you're on this channel because you either want to save more money, learn how to earn more money, how to get out of debt, how to begin to increase your savings, then you can't buy into the hype because yes, it's hype. People are buying. And you not one sandwich, they're going back over and over and over. And some of us, the reason why we're probably in debt and we don't have any savings and things like that is because we bought into the hype and we just went ahead and formed a habit. And so we're going back, over and over again and not really understanding that we can't afford it. It's just another fast food. And you already know that one way you can save money is cut out eating out, right? And so make sure you have a plan. If you're going to, begin to purchase those sandwiches, make sure you build it in your budget. Make a line item and say, you know what, my line item for the month for Popeyes or Chick-fil-A is $20, and you stretch that $20 for the whole entire month. Say, you know what, I'm going to buy one sandwich per week for me, right? So make sure you put in a line item. I know for me, I did a Facebook Live that I spent almost $25,000 in eating out. And you're like, Shawn, you can't. But those $5 here, $10 here, $20 here, $40 here, and things like that, that add up. If you want to know where your money is going, track your spending, and pull those bank account statements, pull those credit card statements, and you'll be amazed of how much money that we spend eating out. So again, don't buy into the hype. If you're going to try and compare these sandwiches, make sure that you have a plan. Make sure it's in your budget. And believe me, there's no peer pressure. If you don't try it, you just don't try it when you can afford it, right? If you can afford it, then that's when you do it. And so right now you said, Shawn, I can't afford it. Well, this is what I want you to do. Down below is a link. It's a link to my #1 recommendation, how you can make money online. And so if you say, Shawn, I need some more money to even go try, Popeye's chicken and compare it to Chick-fil-A. So you want to go down below and you want to click the link to my #1. Look, my #1 recommendation, how you can make money online. When you click the link, you will be asked for your email address, and then it's going to take you to a video. This video is how a single stay-at-home mom has daily cash flow. Watch the video. It's not going to be that long, right? Not that long. And so you can get the information how you can make money online, right? Full time. And then you can afford as much Chick-fil-A or Popeye's chicken as you want. But you still got to stick to the budget, right? So again, you guys, don't buy into the hype. I see my friends are buying into the hype. And if it's one good bite, what we going to do? We're going to go back over and over and over again. And that forms a habit. And then you want to know how much money, that you once have, right? Because you're like, oh my goodness, Shawn, I can't believe at the end of the month I spent like $150 buying chicken. So you guys, be mindful. If you're going to try to compare. Make sure you have a plan. So I hope this was helpful. Post in a comment, like and comment. Have you tried Popeyes chicken? Have you tried Chick-fil-A? Let me know. Let me know. And then put the city and state are you from, so I can just say shout out for your city and state. But again, if you're going to try it, have a plan. Make sure it's in your budget, right? Don't buy into the hype if you do not have the money to do so. This is why budgeting is so important. But again, if you need more money, right, click below my #1 recommendation so we can start making money online. Talk to you guys later. Bye.